Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to do keyword research for Instagram so that your posts can be seen by more people. We'll dive into tips and tricks that will help you find the best hashtags and keywords to use on your posts. So, let's get started. Let's start with the most basic method of keyword research, which is directly on Instagram itself. Open up Instagram, click on the search bar, and type in your main keyword. For this example, let's say you have a yoga profile. Simply type in yoga, and you'll see a list of popular Instagram profiles, some related hashtags, and maybe even a few yoga studios. But here's a pro tip: if you want Instagram to show you even more relevant hashtags, just add the # or hashtag symbol, hash, before your keyword, like hashtag yoga. Now, Instagram will display a list of the most popular hashtags related to your keyword, along with the number of posts that are currently using each one. This is a great way to discover relevant hashtags. You can review the list and add these popular ones to your own posts. But while this method is quick, it doesn't provide a lot of deep data on keyword performance, which is where the next step comes in. Now let's take your keyword research to the next level with a tool called Keywords Everywhere. Head over to keywordseverywhere.com and install the tool for Chrome or Firefox. Once installed, you can enable it and go back to Instagram. Refresh your Instagram. Here's where the magic happens. After activating Keywords Everywhere, you'll notice a new option called Generate Hashtags appear on Instagram's interface. Let's click on it. You'll see a new window pop up, allowing you to enter your main keyword. In this case, I'll type in yoga again and click Generate. And here we go. Keywords Everywhere just found nearly 2,000 hashtags related to yoga, each with some helpful additional data. What's awesome about Keywords Everywhere is that it doesn't just show you the number of posts using each hashtag, it also provides critical data if you purchase their paid plan. Monthly search volume. This tells you how often these keywords are searched for. Cost per click, CPC, a stat from Google Ads, showing how competitive a keyword might be in terms of paid promotion. Competition score, how difficult it would be to rank for this keyword. Trending percentages, you can see how the search volume for each hashtag has changed over time. For example, the hashtag yoga inspiration has over 18 million posts on Instagram. This tells us that people are actively looking for inspiring yoga content. Another example is yoga practice, which has a high number of posts and a solid search volume, indicating a strong interest in learning new yoga techniques. You can copy this entire list of hashtags and paste it into an Excel sheet to analyze the data further. From there, highlight the ones that are most relevant to your content and add them to your posts. Now that you've gathered a solid list of hashtags, let's talk about how to use them effectively. For each post, make sure to include your main keyword in both the text and as a hashtag. For example, if you're posting about yoga inspiration, make sure to include that keyword in the post caption as well as using hashtag yoga inspiration in the hashtags. This can help Instagram's algorithm better understand the context of your post and display it to users interested in similar content. You can also optimize further by sorting your list in Keywords Everywhere by search volume instead of just by the number of Instagram posts. This allows you to find high search keywords with fewer Instagram posts using them, which means less competition. This strategy will give you an edge by targeting keywords that are popular in searches but don't yet have millions of Instagram posts associated with them. That's the sweet spot you want to aim for. Start by searching for keywords directly on Instagram using the search bar. Use keywords everywhere to find more detailed hashtag data, including search volume, CPC, and competition scores. Copy the hashtags into a spreadsheet to analyze which ones are most relevant and have the best potential. Optimize your post captions by including your main keywords and using those hashtags strategically. This approach will help your Instagram posts reach a larger audience, increase engagement, and ultimately help grow your profile. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on growing your social media presence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.